guys, it's Adi here from adifalcon.com, and I'm here live at the Affiliate Summit. We just had a quick presentation or quick discussion with Duane Forrester and Stephan Spencer. They were discussing their best media kit tools. Very knowledgeable and lots of great tools for you to search and use and apply on your website, especially if you're into SEO marketing or if you're really keen into how to promote your website and how to rank it and how to just overall maintain it. Definitely check out this video. Stephan Spencer gives a lot of great tools that you can check out. Of course, you don't need to use all of them before you put in, but you have to get used to using some of them and basically getting a feel for what works and what doesn't work. And of course, Duane Forrester also gives his suggestions. Check out the video, and that's it for now.
Okay, so let's start with link analysis. Majestic, Ahrefs, linkresearchtools.com.
No, sorry.
Sure. Or you can pay him some money to give you the video. So ahrefs.com. So you got Majestic, Ahrefs, linkresearchtools.com, and Moz Open Site Explorer, although that is not their best tool. Keyword Explorer is a great tool from Moz. So let's go to keyword research. So Moz Keyword Explorer, SEMrush, Searchmetrics, especially the Topic Explorer, but also just the competitive intelligence piece. Let's see, what else do I use? I'm using Google AdWords Keyword Planner and Rank Ranger Keyword Finder, HitTail, just a bunch of tools. Okay, so then...
How do you use so many different tools? Just continue.
How do I use so many tools? I want to corroborate the... I come up with hypotheses, and then I want to test them across multiple tools to make sure that they're real. Because they are running different data sets, different algorithms.
It helps to know that at one point in Stephan's career, he was a trained scientist. So his approach to things is extremely well thought out.
Okay, so then we got competitive intelligence, we've got things like Searchmetrics and SEMrush, which I already mentioned. Also SimilarWeb, and don't give any credence to things like Quantcast, Compete, or Alexa. Alexa.com, those are jokes. Let's see, what else? Link Outreach, Pitchbox. I don't think BuzzStream is as good as Pitchbox, but that's another option. Spidering your site, you have Screaming Frog and Deep Crawl. What categories am I leaving out?
SEO.
Like
On-site,
what?
on-site.
Oh, you're talking about enterprise SEO?
Yeah, like
On-site,
on-site, on-page.
on-page.
Yeah, so you have onpage.org. The ranking tracking. I'll get to rank tracking in a minute. So let's see. So onpage.org, Conductor, Searchlight, SEO Clarity, the evil Bright Edge that won't be named. Rio SEO has some tools.
SEO toolset.
SEO toolset.
What about SEO Power Suite? What about SEO Power Suite? Do you use this desktop for SEO Power Suite?
Power Suite?
Power Suite.
I don't use it. And then rank tracking, you have Rank Ranger and Authority Labs and Stat and also Moz has a rank tracker, but it's nothing close to what Stat or Rank Ranger have. And if you want to track YouTube rankings, YouTube search rankings, Rank Ranger tracks, which is really cool because most tools don't track that. If you want a YouTube specific tool, there's Voot, V-O-O-T, tracks YouTube search rankings and a whole bunch of YouTube engagement metrics. Video replies, comments, likes, dislikes.
Nice.
I'm also a fan of Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, those are a given.
People overlook them, right? And it's easy to overlook them because not every feature within those is useful. So some of them get more support, some of them break, some of them aren't as useful, and so it's easy for people to just say, oh, Search Console is broken, when it's just one feature inside Search Console that's broken, and you should still be paying attention to other stuff, right?
Yeah, I have a 6-module course on SEO auditing, and the first module is all about Search Console.
Okay.
And Bing Webmaster Tools.
I have an account there as well.